no, I have one more. Then after you finish, you put some more dip.
Today I'm going to show you how you can make this weathered look smoked finish serving tray, and also the whole project was made from reclaimed pallet wood, just like this one. Crazy. Keep watching and I'll show you how you can turn this into this.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
So I began with this pallet first, which will be the base of the main tray. And right now you cannot see the beauty of the wood grain, but continue to watch to see how I make this come out. Now you can see me just making all the cuts to prepare the pieces. Now for the art of sanding. I started with low grit coarse sandpaper and then gradually worked my way upwards to much more lighter sandpaper. I was really impressed with the way this grain turned out. I was not expecting this. Now I'm just dry fitting and sizing up where I'm gonna make the rip cuts for the side rails of the tray. So as I'm showing, 2 rip cuts should give me all 4 sides. Now a quick show of the pieces cut out.
Daddy, it's not night time.
Very happy with the fit. Now on to the next step. Now I'm using wood glue to attach the base of the tray. I am very confident with the strength of the wood glue, but I will also attach screws coming in from the bottom into the rails just for added strength. Now with the base clamped, I added this piece on top just to make sure the surface is flat. Now to add the smoked finish, which my daughter couldn't wait to help me with. Okay, start painting. Little bit, relax.
Yes. But Daddy, I want to do it.
So we started off with the side rails.
Oh no, I have one more. So let's put one. You have to wipe it. Then you finish it. Then after you finish, you put some more dip. But not on the floor. Wipe it. All done.
After my daughter finishes with the paintbrush, I wipe it down with a cloth to give it that smoked look.
Where should I paint? Here. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down.
I'm very impressed with the effect after the cloth is used.
Finish.
Now just a quick once over on the back and we would be ready for assembly. Now to attach the side rails with the screws from underneath, first I'm going to clamp them so there is no movement and it is exactly where I want them to be. I could have attached the side rails by putting in screws from the top end from the sides and attaching the side rails directly onto each other, but I thought that will show the screws and I'd rather go for this option where you don't see any screws. So the assembly is done, and now for the final touch. So for the handles, first I marked out exactly where the holes to be drilled should go, and then using another piece at the back to avoid tear out on that side where the drill is going to come out, I used a scrap piece of plank, as you can see. I made the holes big enough so the screws can slide in easily, but these screws don't have a sharp end, so they literally will just, using a screwdriver, will hang on to the handles.
Daddy! Look, Daddy! Look, Daddy! Where's the moon out?
Because it's nearly night time. Now for the final screw and a quick showcase of this amazing project. Thank you for watching, guys. Definitely enjoyed making this project. Remember to subscribe to not miss out my upcoming uploads, as I've got a whole lot more planned with amazing projects coming up soon. Thank you.